what's going on, guys? This is Clint over here at Orlando Harley-Davidson South. I am the business manager, and right now we are taking the precautions wearing these masks, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and remove that and go over this 2020 Road Glide Special in this limited paint set. So this color in particular is called Billiard Blue Stonewashed White Pearl. They had only made 750 of these in the entire United States. You'll see its mate in the Billiard Red and Stonewashed White Pearl, 750 of those also. These colors in particular are inspired by the AMA Grand National Championships back in 1969, especially with one of my favorite logos of all the Harley logos, the one right here for number 1. So because it is a 2020 Road Glide Special, it is going to come all blacked out already. It's also going to have the stretch saddlebags that go around the exhaust pipes here, along with security and ABS standard on this motorcycle. So this bike comes from the factory with the RDRS system on it. What that is that is actually Harley-Davidson's new technology of traction control. So it's got a couple different modes on it. A couple cool things it does, it's a lot safer. So you're going around curves, you're braking, ABS on it, it's got a hold mode on it, so if you are on a hill, you can squeeze the front brake, it'll put it into hold mode, so you will not roll backwards, and that will disengage as soon as you roll back on the throttle. So it being a special from the factory, it has a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 motor. That is a ton of horse and torque stock on this motorcycle versus the prior twin cams, and even the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8s. You can take all your belongings, tour pack, be loaded down, and the thing's gonna pull you as easily as it would with nothing on it. This bike has all the cool features of the 2014 Project Rushmore. So you're gonna get to the easy one-touch bags, one-touch venting system, split stream vent system here that allows air to actually come up and over, and you open it up and it makes a nice little pocket of air for you. Electronic cruise control lets you set the cruise control just like a car. You set it on the highway, you can increase your speed and decrease your speed, or totally cancel it just like a vehicle. So this bike also has the Boom Audio GTS system that came out in 2019. Startup time is a lot faster. The touchscreen is made with Gorilla Glass. It's touch sensitive. You can even pinch and zoom and do all the controls on the glass with gloves on and in wet conditions. It also reduces the glare that you see from the sun, especially here in the Sunshine State. Has a bunch of cool modes and a bunch of info just like all the new cars have. This bike also has the TPMS sensors on them, tire pressure monitoring system, so you can actually scroll through in your screen here, and you can see the PSI in your front and your rear tires without even getting off and getting on your hands and knees and trying to get to that valve stem down there. This bike also comes equipped with the brand new Harley-Davidson Prodigy wheels in 19-inch in the front and 18-inch in the rear. Also comes with coil-over shocks. You can adjust the stiffness and the softness of these shocks. This bike also comes equipped with our 4-point docking hardware. Now all these bikes don't come with them, but we like to put them on our motorcycles here. 4-point docking hardware, you can easily pop on and off a passenger backrest. You can also pop on and off a passenger backrest with the luggage rack, and you can even get a color matched tour pack that will pop right on the stocking hardware. So tons of accessories you can add with this also. So finishing off is the 6-gallon tank, plenty of fuel, so you can put miles and miles under your belt to go on those road trips. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back on and go back to work. Oh, also, don't forget to ask me about VIP. It's the best deal in the house.